Let's unbox the Drinkmate Omnifizz together. First of all, we take out the CO2 canister and then we pull out the unit itself. It comes with both a large and a small bottle, which is great. Now we're going to start it. You want to pull this off and then you fill it in with the beverage of choice. You put it back in, it just slides right into the slot. And then you start to press a few times gently on the top. So you hear that sound, you know it's ready. Pull it out. Give it a light little shake. Then release the pressure on the top. And once that is done, press the blue button. And your drink is ready to go with lots of bubbles. So easy and delicious.